Welcome back to Sean's Boosted Garage. Got a little project I'm going to do here. You can see the Mustang in the background. It's got the transmission of it. That I haven't been recording that, but maybe I'll do a little afterthought of doing an automatic swap into the car and issues I ran into and whatnot. But that's besides the point. Today, I got a little project to do. I bought myself a welding table, so my bench isn't that big. My garage isn't that big either. It's only 22 by 22, so I'm gonna try to make the best of whatever I can with what I got. So I bought this welding table, and I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna assemble it today, and I'm gonna try to make it into like a welding station sort of. So I'll take my welder off the cart and mount it onto this table, maybe underneath on the shelf or something, and add some other kind of accessory holders, maybe a place to put some bottles, whatever. So anyways, we'll flip the camera around and I'll show you what I got. All right, so I got this this welding table from Princess Auto. They had it on sale this week. This is Boxing Week sale. It was on for $100, and it's pretty heavy duty stuff actually. Oh, this is like 1/8 angle. Got some nice sturdy casters, and I believe the tabletop. Yeah, you can see the tabletop itself looks to be in 1/8. There's a little shelf here. So anyways, we'll get this put together. I'm sure it won't take that long. And then we'll see what we can do about modifying it. So I was thinking, here's my welding card I got now. So it'd be nice to have that machine on the welding table, and maybe I can chop this thing up and use some of the parts off it to sort of make this welding table better. So anyways, this welding table says it's good for 1,200 pounds. So anyways, we'll get it out and get it together, and we'll be right back. All right, here it is all together. I don't know, it took me maybe half an hour. I wasn't really paying attention to the time, but it didn't take long. But it's pretty sturdy. Well worth $100. It was on sale this week. Boxing Week 2023 at Princess Auto. It was like $99 or $97 or whatever, but it's got all 4 locking wheels. Yeah, so I guess what I like about it is it rolls around. I can sort of push it up against my bench here. I got to rework some of that. Actually, I want to redo this bench anyways, because I got space down here that if I can redo this bench and shove it down there a little bit, like I think I would obviously gain some more bench space. And yeah, so I guess in order to do that, one of the things would be to get rid of that welder. So if I can get that all to fit under here, and I'll try to do some modifications to this as well, just to be able to hang cords on it, and maybe a grinder or two, and I'll probably have her overloaded maybe, I don't know. But anyways, I don't have a lot of room in this garage, and I just gotta try to make do with what I got. So yeah, and you know, hey, cool, it's got some holes drilled in it. So you can bolt stuff down if you need to, set up fixtures and jigs and whatever. So yeah, so I'm guessing the welder is gonna fit down here, and maybe I can build a shelf like between these two legs and put like, you know, a bottle or two right here. I just have a B bottle right now for my welder for Meg, but then I got this little closet here, kind of tucked away in here. I got a bottle for argon. So it'd be nice just to be able to put that all on this table somehow. So it'll be my, I guess I'm hoping it's going to replace this welding cart, plus and be a place to do some welding to if I want. And ideally, like if I got this bench to slide down, when I'm done with it, I could just slide it, you know, right in there. There's a generator. I'm gonna get rid of that. I think I don't use it. And yeah, so that's the idea. And just to try to, you know, just try to make better use of the limited space I have here. So yeah, anyways, stay tuned. This is kind of just unboxing and assembly and review. And like I said, I think it's really good bench, well worth $100. So anyways, like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you in a bit.